Hi guys, I am going to sing Airplanes by Bob and Haley from Paramore and Emma. So let's do it. Pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars. I could really wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars. I could really wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Yeah. I could use a dream or a dream or a wish to go back to the place where someone missed. Cause I've done millions crashing and crashing. Sometimes I'm climbing the fashion. Comparing and on my madness. From the break to the blacklist. And the summer I'm back and back and you want the name and I'll call you back. And then the story unfolds. I just go to a massive fool. I'm saying if you wish for to have one chance. So I play an airplane, sorry I'm late. So my wait, so close that gate. From the back, I'll switch my flight. Be right back at it by the end of the night. Not airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars. I can really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars. I can use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. They take me back to the day before I was a job, before I got paid. And when I had my bake, and they take it to the subway, and I'm rapping for the elephant, and they rap and stay relevant. And then make a wish out of airplanes, when the old band got back to the day. Nobody gets to know rap good, and then they want to make it. And then I built my sleigh. And I hate this pop by the rain. I make a wish to end the politics. And the music started. They were singing, they were stay. And wish that airplane. Pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars. I can use a wish right now. Wish right now, wish right now. Can pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars. I can use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. I can use a wish right now, wish right now. Like shooting stars. Wish right now. A wish right now. Thanks. I did that video because that song just got stuck in my head and I wanted to sing it very bad. So thanks.